Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an Indian e-visa. Before I proceed further, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, first of all, Indian government has not authorized any third party agency or any agent to represent you for this. So this is something that you're gonna do yourself, okay? And do not fall into trap because there are so many third-party sites that claim that collect the same data to apply on your behalf. They may apply, like they may collect the data from you and then apply to the site, but they are not authorized. It's very simple process. You can do it yourself. Rest is your call. And they have like helpline details also. If you have any question, you can call them, you can email them. I have got their response when I applied for this. So that's why I'm showing you the URL also. So make sure you go to the correct site. Now on the same page, you have a link here, apply here for e-visa. So you will click on that link. You'll come to this page. So here you see that you need to select your nationality, passport, port of arrival, date of birth, email ID, visa type, and other details. And then you're going to click on continue. So when you select your nationality and some other details, it pops up this one, an additional question. I have removed some details here. Visa service, where you are going to select which kind of visa you want. And then you're going to continue at the bottom and you go to the next page. Here, surname, given name, okay, exactly in passport, okay. They have given the warnings also here and some help also here, like national identity citizenship number, if not applicable, type NA. Very basic details, visible marks, educational qualification, nationality, whichever you select, passport details, country of issue, passport number. Then in the next page, it will ask for your present address, the email address that you have selected earlier on the first page, your permanent address. If you check this box, click here for same address, this section will be removed. Father details, mother details, almost same details. Then your marital status, then question about grandparents, then your profession, occupation details, where you are working, name, address, very simple questions these are. Then whatever options you select, places to visit, provide that information. And then if you have booked any hotel resort, select yes and provide that information. Expected port of exit, whichever you select. If you have visited before, provide details. If not, go for no, and then this section will be removed. If your permission has been refused before by India, then provide that information. This is criminality questions and deportation other questions. So make sure you read carefully and then answer. Here you're going to upload your photo, okay? Then it will, in the next stage, it will ask you to upload your passport, okay? And then it will process, and if granted, you are all good. And of course, you need to be paying the fee as well. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.